Yeah, buddy. You want to talk about a rig? We got ourselves a rig. And then, yeah, we already had our first rookie mistake with our new camper. We unhooked it from the truck, and then our power cord was not long enough. So now we had to hook it back up to the truck and get it all figured out. Rookie mistakes. Rookie mistake number 2. When I'm cooking bacon, I need to make sure that fan's on. So we had to make sure that this valve was open. The biggest challenge I had was setting up the hot water heater and trying to figure out what do you do. Well, and then we had to turn on the water heater, and that's all it was a switch. And this leads me probably to the biggest rookie mistake as we took out the camper. So my wife decides she's going to take a shower on our first day here. Well, she takes one of the shortest showers in the history of all womankind and acts like she just did like a polar bear swim in the Arctic Circle. Now, I'm trying to explain to her that, hey, that's how campers work and that's, what you have to expect. But no. I did my job in opening up the valves so that the hot water heater gets water before we turn it on, but I did not close the bypass. Now, I'll tell you the truth, it didn't really bother me that her shower was cold, but when I took my shower, yeah, I'm not a polar bear, so we had to get that fixed. Well, thankfully, the shower worked later that day, nice and hot.